I have a lot of friends who are huge fans of your movies. So one of them asked me that I absolutely must ask you. Do you know if there's a sequel of Alita coming?
We're working on it. We're definitely working on it. Jim and I both want to make it. That's usually when we meet, we talk about it. I gave him something to read. He's a little busy with his Avatar movie, but I'm gonna see him again soon, and we'll see where it's at. But we would love to make another one. We have ideas on how to do it because it was always built to be a trilogy, and he sees that there's a lot of love for it. It was just weird because it was a Fox movie, and then got bought by Disney, and then so they weren't really making Fox movies because they had enough work with their Disney movies. But now they're starting to make some Fox movies, like they did Deadpool, and some Fox movies are starting to get made. So time might be right for us to come back and do an Alita.
Well, I hope you do soon. But it is. I mean, you do so many different kinds of movies. That's a whole different kind of puzzle, right?
But yeah, no, but it's not a bad one. It's a good one. It's a cool. It's one of the few. Like usually, I made kids movies or R-rated action horror movies, and that was the first time I got to do a PG-13 movie, which was kind of like it had a lot of action, but it was for families could watch it too. It was kind of like the best of all worlds.